an outside video. Yeah, it's way too bright. Okay, there we go. So this is an outside video, and I'm going to be showing you guys some of my skills on the scooter. Scootery, scooter, scoot, scoot. Okay, I'm gonna. I honestly really don't like being in public for some reason. Okay. So I'm gonna give you guys a POV of what I see when I'm on the scooter. I'm just gonna put it in my shirt. Okay. How about that? Okay, so this is what my pocket sees in the scooter. Oh wait, I can't see anything. Okay, so I can't keep you guys on me from a certain angle, so I'm just gonna have to hold my phone while I'm on the scooter. Okay.